So I'm racking some wine. I'm in the middle of racking right now. I'm kind of letting the bubbles dissipate in the carboy that I am racking too. This is my From carboy, and I have a tube in here connected to a racking cane, and racking cane is a tube, a rigid tube with a cup at the bottom to help prevent any sediment or the leaves from getting into the tube as you rack it. So this is getting racked up into this tube here, into the carboy. This is where the vacuum is pulled on the other side. So this tube comes around and up. And that's just in case we get any wine into the vacuum tube. We're trying to keep it from getting into the vacuum pump because I don't have any sort of a catch on any liquid coming into my compressor. In the compressor, there's a T going into the vacuum, and the T just allows me to have a little switch here a valve where I can loosen the vacuum if I want to, so it doesn't pull so much of a vacuum. So I'll go ahead and run this and see what happens. So I do have to keep stopping this every once in a while when the bubbles get really high because I don't want to pull those bubbles into the vacuum. And that's it. It's pretty easy. Then what I will do is I will use a gravity feed siphon and siphon it down into my plastic carboy, which has a spigot on it, and I use that as my last process before I bottle. So I bottle straight out of the spigot.